How to fix Viber activation failed problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get Viber activating properly again in just a few steps. First, open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Viber and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. From there, tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Data. Once done, reopen Viber and try activating again. Let me show you what to do if it's still not working. From here, if the activation is still failing, check that your phone number is entered correctly. Make sure you've selected the right country code and that there are no extra spaces or missing digits. At this point, also make sure your device has a strong signal and can receive SMS messages. Viber sends an activation code via SMS, so a weak signal can prevent it from arriving. From here, if activation is still failing, open your Android settings and tap on Apps. Let me show you. Search for Viber and tap on Permissions. Make sure phone and SMS permissions are both set to allow, so Viber can properly receive and verify your activation code. Here's an important note. If you've tried activating too many times, Viber may have temporarily blocked your number. Wait at least 24 hours before trying again to avoid being locked out further. Finally, if the activation is still not working after all of this, try uninstalling Viber completely. Go to Apps, find Viber and tap Uninstall. Then reinstall it from the Play Store and try activating fresh. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Viber activation failed problem, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.